Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Captain with another interesting video. Today, I am going to tell you how to access YouTube Library or YouTube non-copyright music directly from Chrome. So let's begin the video. First, you have to open Chrome browser and here, search YouTube Music Library. Open this first website and this will take you to YouTube. Then these options appear. Tap on Open with Chrome. When you tap on this, all the songs and background music from YouTube Library appears here. Now the question is how to download these musics and use for videos. You simply have to tap on any song. Then this download button appear at the end. When you tap on Download the song, or music will be downloaded to your phone. And then from phone, you can import that music to the video you are creating for YouTube. Keep in mind that these background sounds are provided by YouTube itself, and you can use all of them without hesitation of copyright strike. Follow this video and enjoy the YouTube library. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more videos.